Hello, my friends. I am Peymon Mottahedeh, the president of Freedom Law School, which I created in 1996. In this presentation, I'll briefly cover why filing a 1040 income tax confession trap form is the most dangerous thing you can do to your freedom and your property, and why not filing a 1040 income tax confession trap form is actually much safer. You see, this form, the 1040 U.S. individual income tax return, folks, is a trap. It's a trap that you give the power to the IRS when you sign it on that 1040 form to hang you with. Yes, you do it to yourself. You see, step 2 of our 7 steps to be free of IRS deception, robbery, and slavery is to stop filing income tax forms. Because when you sign an IRS Form 1040 income tax confession form, you claim that you owe the IRS money, and you are putting the noose around your neck, and you give the IRS the power to audit you, empty your bank account, steal your property, and put you in prison, folks. This is no joke. I'll show you a little bit about it, okay? So take a look at this, folks. I know, like most people, you probably believe that filing an IRS 1040 income tax form is the safe way to avoid IRS audits and to keep yourself out of prison. But that is not true, my friend. You need to think again. The fact is that the safest way to have the IRS leave you alone and not bug you in any way is to not file any 1040 income tax confession trap forms. See, folks, when you fill out this form, you are putting at risk yourself to go to prison for 9 years for 3 separate federal crimes and to give up your right to be silent as guaranteed by the 5th Amendment of the U.S. Constitution. You sign this form under penalties of perjury under oath. You were tricked into signing by TurboTax, HR Block, your accountant, CPA, or tax attorney, folks, which means throw you in prison if everything on this form is not true, correct, and complete. A form that you did not understand, someone else signed it, prepared it for you, and you signed, and you put the rope around your neck and hand to the IRS. Not them, you, okay? And on line 37, you put on there, this is the amount you owe the IRS under oath. There's no challenging at all anything. You're saying you owe the IRS. So there's no court at all. If you don't sign the form, IRS comes after you for not filing. You can challenge them. You can have a trial. See, fellas go to prison a lot more, folks. This is Joe Barrister, one of my students, folks, okay? Way back in 1999, he quit the IRS to expose IRS corruption. He told me one time that as a special agent in the IRS, okay, whenever they want to go after somebody, one of the things that they did as a standard procedure was to request a copy of that person's previously filed tax returns so that they could use the information against those people that they targeted. Yep. See, folks, when you fill out those forms, you make yourself a target. It is much more dangerous when you file. When you don't file, you're safe. You have to challenge them. There's no challenging when you confess you owe the IRS money, okay? So, folks, in this, and most people the IRS puts in prison, over 90% are filers. This is IRS's own statistics, folks. I'm not making it up. This is their own numbers. Bottom line is this, folks. You got to end filing of 1040 income tax confession forms, or any federal tax forms for that matter. Now, for more details, watch the complete presentation in the description below, okay? That'll give you more meat about this issue on our website. On step 2, the slides are there. You can watch them in more detail. And folks, you are on your way to freedom. Go to freedomlawschool.org, watch our videos, and restore freedom for yourself and your family